Okay, it is a machine understandable language. Yeah, it's correct. But how can we create? If you or me, how can we create? Yeah, we can use some app or we can use some website. So our thing is we can create this particular QR code. Yeah, okay. Our content is we can create this QR code with a Python. So we'll see that. So this is just a 3-line program. Okay. First we are importing a QR code, right? Then we are giving a data in second line, and in third line we are saving that program. Okay. Just, okay. If I pasted this program in chat box, you can just copy and paste in your IDLE. Can you run? And you won't get it because see that first line I have given like import QR code. This line is a thing we are getting the source of QR code from the source which I am going to explain now. So first go to a command prompt. Let's open command prompt. Just type a pip install that QR code. Okay. So you can easily get this key, pip install QR code. For all the program, it won't be the same. For that, just go to Chrome and type the same word, install QR code. So what is that pip means? This is the key we are going to use in command prompt. Okay, there will be a first website called pypi.org. Go to the website and Google just type pip install QR code. You will be getting this website as a first. So go there and you can get a pip install QR code. You just copy the code. So then come back to your command prompt and press the right click. You will be getting this thing and press enter. The thing is been downloaded, so it is been already satisfied because I have downloaded that. Okay, if you are new, it will be downloaded for you. It will take 2 MB or 3 MB, not much. So that's why I am closing this. So here is the program. So I am importing this QR code from the source. While you are downloading this content, so this QR code document will be saved in this path. You can just, if you want to see, just you can search it in your command, search in your search bar of your PC. You can get this file folder. So this program, the import meaning is you are calling that QR code from that folder. Okay. So first we are going to import that QR code and we are going to give a data. So this is the data, this is the ID. We are going to give it in that QR code. Then we are going to save this as a this name. We are going to save this as a this name. So where it will be saving, right? Here I will be given like third day section. So it will be, if I run the program, it will be saving in that folder location. So I will open that. So you can see a QR code. If I run, you will be getting like this. So you will be having a Google Lens, right? So we just scan this QR code and comment me what is this QR code. Yeah, you can DM me. You just go to Google Lens and capture this and say me what is in this QR code. So it's an Instagram ID, I know. So who is Instagram ID? Yeah. Just you can scan this. Yeah. It's a name. Okay. Then can anyone? Yeah. So I'm going to change the data of this line, second line. So how to change that? So for example, so I'll be having this link, right? Greek for Greeks. It's a website for a Python, right? So I'm getting this link. So I'm copying this link. So I'm pasting here, right? So I change the link, right? So now I'm running this program. So I will change this. Uh, I'll be giving not one to identify that file. So I'll be running this program now. Yeah, it's been run successfully. Then I'm going to the folder path. See QR code Python not one. This is a folder that there's no been created. File 11. So I'll open that path. Can anyone just scan and say what is this? What is in this QR code? Yeah, the same Geek for Geeks website, which data I have given this QR code throughout the Python. So next we are going to see about, so we are also discussed about the QR code, then we can go to the barcode. So let me see what is that barcode. So this is the program for a barcode, right? For the same thing, I am going to import a barcode. How to import this barcode? Just go to the command prompt and type pip install barcode. For a basic level program, you just type a pip install barcode means you will get and the program will be downloaded, right? In case if it is an advanced level program, you can just easily type the pip install barcode means you type it will show the error. So I said that go to the Chrome and type pip install barcode. You will get the exact keyword. Just copy that and paste it in the command prompt. So you won't get any error. So again, I am importing a barcode from that source of file here. So I am giving a data. So I am calling a function with okay. Hmm. So I am calling a function with an with the alphabet K here. So and I am giving a data. So and again I am calling a data from the third line. Okay, giving us a K here and calling a data from the second line. So I will be giving like R as a temporary and K bracket data. So same thing. I'm going to save barcode bootcamp. It will be going saving like this. Okay, let's see that. So barcode. So you can see welcome to barcode. This line will be getting through this Python. Okay, if you scan this code, you will be getting this data. This is very simple. Just if you want to change a thing, if you can you also add a link here. You can also add a video link, audio link, a picture, some data. From data you're going to share this to privately. You can use this. So thank you. If you have any doubt related this, just comment me. Any doubt, just comment me. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can go directly to the Chrome and type as a pip install QR code. You'll be getting this. Yeah, you can type directly. Okay. Yeah, it will be saved in this folder. Third day section I am given like that. So it will be saving in those correct particular folder. Yeah, it will be saved in those particular folder. You need to search that. Okay. Okay. Well, any doubt, just comment me. Pooja, are you ready for next session?
Yeah, Dhanush. Okay, so let me see some other basic programs like same which you have seen now. So let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, Pooja.
Okay, so yeah, before starting the program, let me tell you something like 1 minute. Yeah. So for this is nothing but Google search program. Like going to Google and searching is different, and with using the program and searching something is different. So for this Google search program, you need to import a specific module called PyWhatKit. As earlier told by Dhanush, for installing the module, we'll use command prompt, and here we have see here we have command prompt, and here you can give pip install PyWhatKit, but exactly this will work, but when you run it will show some error because if you give pip install PyWhatKit and it's not going to install the latest version, it will give you the old version what have been already discussed with this command prompt. So if you want a new version to be installed, then go to Google and just search import PyWhatKit. Yeah, so you will get the for importing any Python module, the best website is like pypi.org. So here you can install the latest version of the particular modules, so it will be more easy to run the programs. So from here you just copy paste the those particular link. Like I'll show you what you need to copy paste. Yeah, here you can see pip install PyWordKit. It is the latest version, so which is released on Jan 8 2022. So you can copy here, see, copied, and then you can paste that in the command prompt. Here instead of this you can paste this. Yeah, so instead of this you can paste this, and if you run this you will get the latest version of PyWordKit module, and then if you go to your program it will work exactly as what you want. So now I have given here the first line where I'm importing the module, and here this try and exception we are using because I don't want my screen to get like where if there is any error, I want what error exactly should be. So if any error occurs, it just print like an unknown error has occurred, so that I can search for the error and I can correct it. So for that I'm using try and except over here. So here pywortkit.search of, I just given the name like Vijay some, and print searching. This searching will give you, okay, this program is working or not. So let me go and try. Yeah, it will take time because it need to open your Google and need to search it, so it will take I guess some seconds it will take. Yeah, you can see it automatically, it shifted to the Chrome page and searched what I exactly want. So this is how this program works. And moving on to the next program with the same, I don't want you to get confused with different modules, so that I have importing the same module PyWordKit. We have different programs here. The first one is Google search, and the second one is information about the particular topic. Like information about the particular topic, in a sense you don't need to go to Chrome page and you need to extract the result. You can get the result whatever you want in the ideal shell itself. So for that same thing I have given import PyWordKit and try and exception and PyWordKit.info of. So here I have mentioned what information I want and how many lines, because if I didn't mention any line, it's going to show n number of lines for me, and it so I need only just a 4 lines what I want about. So here this print statement will say whether the program is successfully searched or not. So let me try this program. So these are all just 4-line program and very useful program too. Just a minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Wait, just a minute. Yeah, can you see now? Like I have searched for Python. What is Python? And for just 4 lines I need. So it gave me this result and successfully searched. The what I exactly need is successfully searched. So this is how you get the output for information about particular topic using the module PyWhatKit. So next with the same module, we'll go to yeah. So yeah, now WhatsApp board is an interesting one which everybody can use it. So here we have another module. We have going to introduce another module. Till now we have we saw PyWhatKit module, and now here you can see PyAuto GUI. This is nothing but this is also which is used to send the message to the user. Uh, with with the help of users, we can send the message to whoever we want. So for importing this PyAuto GUI, you can use same command prompt like pip install PyAuto GUI. Before that, you can search it in Google for the exact latest version. So I have already installed the module. So and here I have installed another module called time, because this times give me the like delay. If I want to enter more than 2 or 3 values to my to the WhatsApp user, so it does give me some time gap between the first message and the second message. So it's a sleep time. So for that sleep time, we need the module called time over here. So for that time dot sleep of 5 seconds, this bracket mentioned that it is in seconds. So then the text for this, we need some text file. We can import some text file, and if you have some information in that, you can automatically send those information, those text file to the WhatsApp, not as a text file, as a text message you can send. So and yes, here I have if you want to add any extra information to the text file, so you can add that in the ideal shell itself. So here for I in range, if I click enter in any one of the chat where I want to send all those messages, then automatically what are all there in that particular text file is going to send to that user. So we'll try this. I have animal.txt file in my folder. Same like when you are using, ideally you should keep in mind that when you're using text files, it should be in the same folder where the program is saved. So this program is saved in a folder called day 5. So the same day 5 folder, you should have the text file called animal.txt, so that the program will work. So I have, you can see here, see, this is day 5 folder. Here I have the WhatsApp boot program. So as same like I have that animals text file also in text txt extension. So can we go to that program? Yeah. So if I run this program, so before running this program, you need to open your WhatsApp through your device, so that you can send the message, because it just go move on to the Chrome where the WhatsApp is open, and then it will just a minute. Yeah, you can see I in the text file I have given this list of animals name. You can see horse, hookworm, hippopotamus, all this name I have given. So I'm adding UR here in that ideal shell itself. I have added UR, so that it's working like UR with the information which is there in that text file. So this is how the WhatsApp bot works. So next program is, yeah, top 10 movies. So everybody like to watch movies. So in order to get what are the top 10 movies, not only in language what you search, all over the India, what are the languages are there, this program is going to search the top 10 movies and just going to give you the titles of those movies. So for that, I'm importing a module called IMDb. This IMDb is a module which will give you the information about the movies. And here I'm getting m is equal to imbd dot. Here I will get connect with that module so that I can go into the link of the module. So here search of m dot get underscore top 250 movies. This is top 250 is nothing but it's top 10 movies. Just going to collect the name of top 10 movies in the list of movies. So for range in 10, in range in 10, I'm just going to get the titles alone, not the reviews or not other things. I'm just going to get the titles of those movies. So if I run same this IMDb module also, you can get it from module also, you can get it from Chrome, like import IMDb. If you give, you can get import IMDb in pypi.org website. In that you can easily get the latest version also. So with that you can use this module. Yeah, I got like these are the top 10 movies in IMDb latest version. You can see there are 10 movies, not only in Tamil or it is in different languages. Yeah. So now I hand over the session to Mohan Ram so that he can explain you few programs, some basics programs in Python. So Mohan Ram.
Yeah, yes, Pooja, I'll take over.
Yeah.
Hey, hi guys. And after some few small scale programs, we are going to jump into some large scale programs. And these are the most interesting programs. So I'll share my screen right now. Before sharing, I want to let you know about what are the programs that we are going to see today in my session. Actually, we have two programs to see in my session. They are real-time voice translator, like Google Assistant, right? Google Assistant translates your voice to any language that you ask. Like that, we made a program in Python to translate the voice that you have given to all the languages that are present in the world. After that, we have one more program, and that program will help us to identify the humans who are all away around this some area, right? If you place a camera there, it will identify and who are all humans and who are all not humans. This program will help us in making some AI better and in security systems also. Okay, so let me share my screen first. And these are the two programs. One is real-time voice translator. We have a Python file here. And another one is the human positioning system. Okay. In this human positioning system, you can see that there is a HR cascade underscore full body and XML file is there. Extensive markup language. This file is a file which helps in the AI assistant to train itself. Like if you want to do something, first you have to be trained, right? If you want to speak Hindi, you have to train yourself to speak Hindi. Like that wise, this is a file which trains the this AI program itself to accurately predict who are all humans and who are all not humans. Okay, so let me first explain this human program. I have started the Jupyter notebook here, so I have made this clear for you. Okay, this is the program that we are going to see, and in this program we have used two libraries. They are CV2. CV2 is the normal name, OpenCV. Okay, open source computer vision library. It is a vast library that we are using for all the purposes, like scanning something or making your photo clear, blurry, like that. We are using this OpenCV library for Python, and this Immortus library, which draws human rectangles over the faces. Okay, so let me share you an image now. This is the image that I'm going to provide for the program. You can see that there are humans, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 humans are there. Okay, so you can clearly see that there are no rectangles and there are no predictions right now. When I pass this image to this program, I have given the image path here. Okay, So when I run this program, it will detect, yeah, you can see that it detects humans detected 5. Okay, it detects 5 humans are there. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 humans are there, and it draws the rectangles who are all humans. Okay, so this is how this program works. And what is the purpose of this program? Okay, what is the benefit for us while running this program? While we use in real-time security cameras and motion detection sensors, it can detect when some motion passes in front of the camera. It can accurately detect that who are all humans and who are all not humans. We can use this program to prevent theft in some places, bank or some shops, like that. We can make this, and you can see that it accurately detects how many humans are there in front, clearly in front of this camera, right? There are also some humans in backside, but it does not detect it. They are, because they are not close here and they are somewhere long from this camera. So this is how this program works, and these are the uses of this program. Now let me explain this program how it works. Okay, now what we are going to do is hog scripter. This hog scripter from this OpenCV library will detect the people detection. Okay, which detects the peoples who are all peoples and who are all not peoples. It is pre-trained library. Okay, no need for training itself. It is a pre-trained library. And also we can use this XML file, but the XML file I haven't used here because I have used this pre-trained library here. Okay, you can also use the XML file for more accuracy. And I have initialized a variable hog here. Hog is just a library's name, so I have used here. Okay, and from cv2.hog descriptor, I have assigned this hog descriptor to this variable. Because I don't want to use this huge name here, so I have used a short form. And with this short form name hog dot sets smv detector, this program helps, this line helps us to detect who are all humans. Okay, and I am making this as possible. And hog descriptor get default people detector, I'm getting all those libraries from the cv2 library. Okay, after getting that, I'm passing an image here in my git projects human and hum.jpg file, which is the photo that I have shown earlier, which contains 5 humans in that. I'm passing that image here and assigning that to a variable called image. Okay, in especially in while you are using the cv2, we have to convert that image, we have to scale that image in certain width, so that the program can easily identify easily can process much faster. When you provide a high resolution image, it takes much time to process it. When you small scale it to a downscaling image, it will process it much faster and accurately. Okay, so I'm what I'm doing is I'm with this Imultis library, I'm resizing this image with a width of minimum 500, and the image shape is 1:1 ratio. Okay, I'm making that as like this, and after making scaling that, I'm what I'm detecting the humans who are all there with this hog detector. I imported here, right? Like this from the cv2 library. I'm using that here, humans comma underscore. I'm declaring a variable here. After that, with the hog detect multi-scale, what I'm using multi-scale is there are multiple persons, not only single person, right? Yeah, how many persons can also pass in front of the CCTV cam? So it should detect everyone. So I have used this multi-scale and passing this image as an argument. Okay, passing this image as an argument. And win stride 5,5. What is this win stride means? It will refine the image to a better quality. For this, I'm using this. And the padding is 3,3. What is padding? Padding is a space around, if I'm, this is an image, consider this is an image. Okay, padding means 3 millimeter space here on the width and 3 millimeter space here on the height. Okay, this is the padding, equal height on all 4 sides that from the image, that is called as padding. And after scale, 1:1.21 is a scale for this scale resolution of this image. And after that, we have this program identifies how many humans are there. After that, identifying how many humans are there, we have to print how many humans are there. Okay. So I'm giving a print command, humans detected, len of humans. It will hold the value of humans here, and I'm printing the length of humans. The length of humans is 5. Okay. After that, I'm drawing the rectangles throughout the humans who are all standing there. For that, we have using that XY axis and width and height axis in humans. Why are using humans variable here? Because we are going to draw the rectangles in between the humans. Okay, in outer of the humans. So I'm passing this argument here. And with the cv2 dot rectangle function, we can draw the rectangles throughout that image. So I'm passing the image as an argument, which I have specified here. Okay, I'm passing that. After that, xy, x plus w, and y plus h. And this is the color code for drawing the image, sorry, the rectangle. So I have passed here 00255, which is a red color, and 2 is for buffering. After that, finally, I'm displaying the image with the cv2.imshow function, which displays the image in our screen. Okay. And after that, the wait key function for waiting. When I click close, it will destroy all the windows here. That's what this program does. I am running the program again. So you can see that it detects 5 humans and draws a rectangle. And it also prints the result, 5 humans are there. Okay, this is how this program works. When I click this close function, close button, and this function will activate and destroys all the windows over there. Okay, this is how this human detector program will work. If you guys have any doubt, kindly post in the chat box. I will clarify your doubts right now. If you have any doubts. Okay, I think nobody has any doubts. Okay, if you have any doubts, kindly interrupt me whenever it is possible. Okay. After that, we are moving to this voice translator program. This program helps us to translate language, given speech to any other languages in the world. So you can clearly see that I have specified in here. You can see that I have specified many languages here. You can see that how many languages are there, right? This much of possible languages we can translate with our program. Okay. So first of all, I will explain how this program works. Okay. So for recognizing our input speech, I have used a speech recognition library, which helps us to convert our speaking voice into text. Okay. After that, I have used this Google Translate library for converting our given provided speak to all the languages that I have provided here. And after that, I have imported this GTTS. What is GTTS? Google Text to Speech Library. Okay. This when I give a command first, it will ask me for in what language I have to convert your speak. If I provide any language code there, it will convert my speak and words to that language, and it will store that as a text file, converted language as a text file. So after converting the text file, the program should speak aloud the text file. For that, we have using this GTTS library. It will translate the text into speech again. Okay. After that, I'm using this PyTTX X3 library, version 3 library for explaining this word. These are the languages supported. Just enter its code when you are prompted. For reading aloud this line, I have made this possible for reading this. Okay, for that I have imported this engine from PyTTX3 library, and I'm setting a voice rate here. First, I'm initializing the engine here, and I'm setting the voice rate 170 for speed. This rate is for speed of the voice. Okay, and after that, I'm assigning a voices variable for all the voices, male and female voices. Okay, 1 is for female voice and 0 is for male voice. I have assigned here. And after that, recog1 is a recognizer class object for recognizing our speaking, our input. Okay, and MC is for mic, SR microphone. These are all comes under this OS module. Okay, Okay, this OS module controls each and every parts from our operating system. And first I'm printing this here. These are all the languages supported here. The engine will read aloud this line. These are all the languages supported here. Enter your code while you are prompted. And after that, we have to speak hello. While you are using the Google Assistant, you may ask to hey Google or hello Google. When you speak like that, it will automatically wakes up the Google Assistant. Like that, we are using this hello keyword to wake up our assistant. After that, it will ask us for it will ask us for what are the language that you are going to speak. It will ask that and show in the language variable from lang, and it will ask us for what language do you have to convert the given speak words. Okay, and when you provide that, it will store that in a variable to lang, and after that it will uses the mic as a source to get some input from us. So it will print a speak a sentence. When you speak a sentence, it will recognize the voice and stores ambient noises from your background. Clears all the ambient noises like hissing sounds, typing sounds, fan sounds, from bird sounds, wind sound, every other noises it will ambient noises it will remove, and it will only clarify your voice and takes it out. Okay, and after that I'm giving a try block here to print the word that you have given as an input. Okay, and after that I have text to speak. Okay, text to translate. I'm translating my speak and words to the language that I have provided. Okay, after all those done, it will store that as an captured voice.mp3 as an mp3 file. Okay, after storing that an mp3 file, the GTTS library will take that mp3 file and read it aloud for you for the translated voice. Now I will enable share sound and I will speak some words, and you can hear that it will recognizes it and translate it to any other voice. Okay, these are the codes. For Afghanis, we have to keep type AF. For Hindi, we have to type HI. Like that, we have to make it. Okay, so I am going to run this program now.
These are the supported languages. Enter its code while you are prompted.
Yeah, it's hacking. Hello, hello. Now it will be initialized. Now it asks me to enter the language that I'm going to speak. Now I'm going to speak English. Okay, so I'm typing EN, and when I hit enter, it adds the language that we have to convert our voice, this line. Okay, so I'm typing HI for Hindi. Okay, when I type enter, it will started to recognize what I'm speaking. Okay, so I will speak some words and it will be translated into Hindi from English. Okay. Hi, did you eat today?
हाय क्या तुमने आज खाया?
Yeah, now you can see that this is the word I have specced a few minutes ago. It prints the face to be translated. What is our text I have spoken, and it stores as an mp3 file, and it automatically plays it to a translated language that I have provided, Hindi. Okay, now I play it again.
हाय क्या तुमने आज खाया?
Yeah, kya tum aaj kaya. It is a right meaning in that conveys that did you eat today. Okay, this is the meaning for that in Hindi. Okay, now I will try it again with another language. Now I will try with this what Norwegian. Okay, somewhat. Yeah, or else I will try Nepali. Okay, NE. So I will run the program again.
These are the supported languages. Enter its code while you are prompted.
Hello. So it is asking for the language that I am going to speak, absolutely English. And it is asking for the language that I have to translate the what I speak. Okay, so I will enter NE for Nepali and enter. How are you today?
Asal timilai kostuca.
Yeah, it is speaking something, but I cannot understand what is going to speak because I don't know Nepali. Okay, but it will be correct because I'm using the Google Translate and API, so it will flawlessly work and without any errors. So this is how this program works. Hope all you enjoyed, and all these program source codes are uploaded in the GitHub link. So you will be provided with the GitHub link in the WhatsApp group also. Kindly check that. And thank you for my session today. If you have guys any doubt, kindly chat me.
Did you have any
Yeah.
doubt, guys?
Okay, no one is having doubt. Yeah, after me now Pooja will continue. Pooja, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, continue.
Okay. So at last of the session, we have one more program over here. So it is to read the latest news in India, in overall world, latest news in overall world. So let me share my screen. I guess you guys can see the screen. Anybody? Can you reply?
Yeah, Pooja, you can proceed.
Yeah, Pooja, it's visible.
Yeah, okay. So here, so this is the program which gives you the latest news. Latest news, only title of the news, not the exact news what you want, only the header it will give. So let me start the explanation of the program. So first, for this we need to import a module called request module. So this request module, it requests the Chrome or whatever website it owns to give the particular information to this ideal shell. So here I'm organizing a function called news from BBC. So here I have used the platform BBC to receive the news. So for that we need few things from BBC website. So that is like API key, sort by, and source. So source is nothing but, I already said I'm going to extract the news from BBC News. So source is nothing but BBC News. And sort by in a sense, in what order you exactly need the news. So it gives you the, I want the top 10 users, so I just gave top. And this API key, this is a very unique key for all the platforms. So we'll get this by official platform of BBC. You can search in Google and you can get the API key. So this is the API key for BBC News and main URL. So this is the main URL for this for BBC network. So yeah, now it's going to fetching. Now it's just going to fetch the data which I want. So for fetching the data, I give request.get of main URL. So in main URL, I'm going to get the data what I need. So it just convert the, it will be in different formats. So in order to receive that, I need a convenient format called JSON format. So just I'm converting the data into JSON format. And here I'm just getting the titles in string format. Yeah, it will give you in numbers or something as it wants. So but in order to explain you, in order to give you the exact title, so I'm just converting that title into string format and then storing it. So after that, I'm creating the empty list over here, which will get all the which will get all the titles which are given by the BBC website. And that empty list, at last it will have the titles of the newses what we want. And here I'm just appending it. Yeah, appending it means I'm just appending these headings, these titles which I received from the BBC website to the empty list. I'm appending over here and I'm getting the length also. So length is what I want, like if it is 10 or 10, 20 or 20, how many top users I want. So it is depends on the user. And here, till here, you can see it is going to give you the late top 10 users, top 10 latest users. But you can see to read the news out loud for us. So not only just to view, this function will all this program will also use to they read the top 10 only the titles. What are the things going to display on the screen will be read out for you guys so that you can understand easily. For that, I'm importing another one module called dispatch. From dispatch, I'm importing win32 com.client. This is also you can import it from directly from the net, like command prompt. You can use pip install dispatch with the latest version. You can install it. And here I'm just going to give what are the results here that should be read out. So that's all. I'm just calling the, because here I declared everything inside the function called news from BBC. So just I'm calling the function so that this function is going to run out over here. So let me run the program.
Pooja, you can show the pip install command also, Pooja, in your screen.
Yeah, okay. Just a minute. I'll just receive the output and
Okay, you proceed.
okay. You can see these are the top 10 newses, latest top 10 newses.
Ukraine. Russian attack on nuclear power plant condemned by world leaders. Ukraine warns economic catastrophe. Warns World Bank. War in Ukraine. Russia restricts access to BBC and media crackdown. Ukraine. How a week of war has transformed lives. Son of accused January 6th rioters testifies in court. Crash. Discarded rocket parts in hours. Say scientists. Poroshenko. Don't trust or be afraid of Putin. Ukraine crisis. Afghan family pleads for Canada's help. Biden imposes sanctions on Russian oligarchs. Putin's cronies. Breonna Taylor, ex-officer Brett Hankinson found not guilty in deadly raid.
Yeah, so these are the top 10 news which are displayed, and also they read out also the newses which are displayed on the screen. So I can give you the like pip install command also. This is the command prompt where you have want to install all your modules. So you can give just a minute.
Pooja, that could not be deleted like this. You have to move your cursor.
So yeah, it's getting late. Just a minute. Yeah, because I already have this module, so that it's showing requirement already satisfied. If you install it first, it will collect all the modules inside this request package. So I guess it is clear. Anybody have any doubt regarding this program? Anybody have any doubt? Okay, I'll stop sharing. So I hand over the session to Danush. Danush?
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, yes, thanks.
Okay. So I hope you have listened to the previous session. So now we are going to see a program called while entering a number. Okay, you can get address of that what SIM you are using and the location, and the location called Bangalore or Chennai or something Kerala. So we can do this with the Python. So without Python, you can do with some websites or with the app. You can use of this. You can just do it. Yeah, okay. You can just do this thing. Our content bits we can do with this Python code. So I'll show it to you. So this is the program. So I am importing the number from the command prompt. So I'll be giving like pip install phone numbers, phone not numbers. Just give pip install phone number. So some content will be taken from that source, and the file must be saved in that particular directory. Okay. Then I am giving my number. So this is not my number. This is something else. This is the number I am giving. So 65, 65 is a Singapore number. Okay, right? So from phone numbers, I'm importing a GE coder. So here you should also include pip install GE coder. You should do that too. Okay, to this program. Okay, so I'm giving sending a number, sending a variable with a phone number that place. So this is the thing I'm going to assign now. So first I'll run this program, then I'll explain this. So I'm giving a run command. So see, it's showing a Singapore Singtel. So or else if I give a number in India, just see. So if I give this number, then you can see this. I think this will. So it will showing left India ASL. So if I take a geo number, just see what is going to show. So it will be showing like India Reliance Geo. Okay. If I enter call landline number, then see what is going to show that. So if I run this, you will be getting like error because so this number is not valid. Okay. So you have to give the correct number to run this program. If you are having any if you're having any number, you just put it in a command prompt. See, put it in a chat box. I will just do it. Anyone can share your number. You can just direct me. You can text me. If you give a number, I will just run with it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I will do with that. Okay. Hmm. So I'll be getting number length from the source. Okay. So if I run this, you'll be getting like phone number not valid. Maybe around. Just give a correct number. Yeah, it shows a BSNL. Okay. So this is the program. Just you can identify that what location and what SIM card network that you are using. So just I'm importing something from a phone number. There's things you have been going to install about install things from a command prompt. Okay. Then it's a service provider. There's a simple call, simple calling statement. This you will learn in the basic session. So that's all. So I'll be sharing this program in respected links. You can get the source code. Yeah. Yeah, ready with that quiz session. Okay, Rajesh. Rajesh, can you hear me? Mohan.
Yeah, Dhanush, I can hear you.
Yeah, yes, Dhanush. Yes, Sasigma.
Hey, good evening, guys. Now we are going to quiz session. If you have any queries, you can chat with us. You can put the direct chat to us. If any queries, if you not have any queries, we can move to the quiz session. Any queries, guys? Yeah, okay. Let's move on. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the first question. Actually, today's the question topics will taken from the programs we have already taken. We have done several programs, like right. For that programs, we have chosen some lines and we have we have created questions for you. From that, you can answer it. Yeah. The question number 1: for what pivot kit library used for? The options are: send WhatsApp message automatically, to read the message in Python platform, to delete message, none of the above. You can remember the program, what we done, and you can answer for these questions. Any responses, guys? I didn't get it till now.
Raksita answer is 1. Then what's the message?
Yeah, one more also answered as 1.
Amuda answer as 1. Rakshita Suresh answers as 1. Any other answers, guys? Everyone is answering as 1. Yeah, okay, we can proceed with the answers, Sasikumar. Yeah, it's actually answer 1 only. You can explain it, Mohan.
Yes, pivot kit library is used for sending automated messages, and it will be delivered to the number which you are providing. It is a simple library for use of make fun with your friends. Okay, Sasi, you can move for the next question.
Yeah, jump on to the next question. That is question number 2. What module is used for voice translation? The options is GTTS, Google Trans, speech recognition, all the above. Your responses? Yeah. The answers is 1. Rakshita Suresh answers also 1. Any other answers? Today I am getting somewhat low responses, guys. What about others? Yeah, we can move to the answer. Answer is all of the above. Because
yes.
Yeah, Mohan, we can explain it.
Yes, because we are using all the above to make the program work very well, because speech recognition recognizes a voice, and Google translates the voice into other language, and GTTS speaks aloud the translated text. So we are using all the above like this.
Yeah, the next question. That is question number 3. Which module used to collect the top 10 movies? IMBC, PyMovie, IMDb, none of the above. Your options, guys? Rakshita, Suresh answers 2 answers. Anyone?
Snega has answered as a 3.
Yeah, 3.
Yeah.
Rakshita, Suresh. Okay.
Hajit EC has answered me as 2.
Yeah, IMDb by Rakshita Suresh. Any other answers?
Stephen answers IMDb.
Any other answers? Let's move on. Let's make the question more challengeable. So everyone try to answer it so what it becomes more interesting and more challengeable, guys. If I get 2 more options, means the only options I am getting is similar, and that one will be the correct in most of the times. If I get the different answer, means that will be a somewhat curious to know which answer is correct. Like that it will go. So try to answer it. If it a correct or one or wrong one. Yeah, the answer is IMDb. Congratulations to all. We can proceed with next question. Or Mohan Ram, we can explain it.
Yeah, no, nothing more to explain here. But actually, IMDb is a company that is owned by Amazon, and the IMDb is a third-party library. Actually, they haven't created the pure library. IMDb is a third-party library created by an open source community, And with that help of that library, we are listing the top 10 movies from the IMDb site. Yes, Sasi, you can move to the next question.
Yeah, question number 4. Okay. Which library is used for playing assistant sound? The options are play sound, rock sound, assist voice, pitch voice. Your answers? Don't worry about the if I'm telling wrong answer, mean that will be a difficult. Don't worry about it. Answer, please.
Yes, failure is a stepping stone to success. Yeah, guys, come on.
Come on, come on.
Please, all of you try.
Yeah, Hajit answered as 3.
Yeah. Any other answers?
Someone
Your
answered as 2. I couldn't read his name properly.
Yuvarajan answer as 3. Rakshita answer as 2. Any other different answers? I am not getting any negative responses, guys. Please do any negative responses because everyone is answering correct. That is more interesting. But if it negative arises, means that will be more even too interesting because they will learn from it.
Anushya answered as 4.
Yeah, one different answer we are getting. 2 different answers now. 3 or 4. Any other different answers from you? Any other guys? Yeah, you can proceed with answers, Sasikumar. The answer is option number 1. It's not
Yeah,
an
actually,
issue, but okay, it's okay. But try to give more responses in different options. Okay. Yeah, you can explain it, Mogadra.
yes, actually, play sound is a part of that Google Trans GTTS library, which read alouds the text that we have given. So we are using this play sound library inbuilt of that. That's all.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Sasi, move on to the next question.
Yeah. What is human positioning used in technology? To feed AI examples, to structure humanoid bots, to make robot like humans, all of the above. Your options, please. I think so. Mohan Ram explained this concept, human position.
Yes, yes, Rajesh. Yeah, guys, come on, make your answers. Yes, Hajit answered as 4.
Rakshita Suresh answer as 4. Any other different answers? Yuvarajan answers as 4. Amuda answers as 4. Any other answers? Any other different answers? Yeah, okay. Everyone is telling us 4, right? We can check it. Yeah, it's same positive response. You can explain it, Mohan.
Yes, because we are using all the technology useful things with this library, and this human positioning is not only used in this field, it is used in many areas like security visions, making something weird stuff like 3D art, 3D printing, like that. All stuff we are using this positioning system, not only in humans, we can make this for all the objects in this world. Okay, Sasi, move on to the next question.
Yeah. The next question, that is question number 6. Command prompt can be used to execute entered commands and perform dash functions. That is advanced okay, that I think so. That is a simple query, graphical user, none of the above. You can put your answers in. Artishwari answers as option number 4. Any other answers base? Rakshita Suresh answers as option number 4. Amuda answers as option number 1. We are getting 2 different options. Any other options? Any other different options?
Yeah, Hajit answered as 3.
Yeah, okay. We are getting 3 different options. Any other different options or any other answers?
Some have answered as a 2.
Yeah, okay, we
Simple
are
query.
getting 4 different options now. And Poo versus C answers as option number 4. We are getting all options. Okay, we can check it now. Let's move on to the answers, Sasikumar. This one becomes more interesting, and our answer is option number 1. Okay, you can explain it.
Yes, actually in command prompt, without command prompt in Windows or any other operating systems, we cannot perform all the operations that are possible. With only the administrative permissions, we can do much more possible things with the command prompt. So that command prompt is widely used for making the administrative privileges and to make some more useful commands that we can make normally. Yes, Sasikumar, move on to the next question.
Yeah, that question number 7. Library that is used in human position. The options are OpenCV, PyCV, closed CV, positioning CV. Yeah, you can tell me the options now.
Yes, guys.
Artishwari answer is option number 1.
Ajit answered as 4.
Yeah, 2 different options we are getting.
Someone
Rakshita
answered as
option
1.
is options is 3. Any other different option or any other answers?
Yeah, someone answered as 1.
We are getting 3 different options, guys.
Yes, Kalpana Shri answered as 1. Guys,
Okay.
we are having a huge response. We want huge responses because we are having an interesting thing for you all for making the answers. So
Yeah, okay.
comment your answers below.
We can move to the answer, Sasikumar.
Yes.
That is OpenCV. Yeah, you can.
Yes.
Mohan.
Yes, actually OpenCV is the name, stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library, and which is the library which is used for making all the things that a computer can do with a vision. So that we are using this OpenCV library. Okay, guys, that's all for this question. Sasikumar, move on.
I hope everyone can understand it. We are using this library in most of our programs, so that you are before this bootcamp, you are all familiar with OpenCV. Yeah, we can proceed with next question. That is question number 8. Which module is used in WhatsApp bot program using Python? We have shown a program that is a WhatsApp bot. In that program, we are used one module that is PyChat or PyAuto GUI, Pandas, or none of the above. Your responses? Yeah, Artishwari option is 1. PyChat. Any other different responses?
Yes, guys, comment your answers below.
Yeah, any other answers? I think so. This one.
Ajit is made answer 1.
Your other answer as 4. We are getting 2 different options now.
Anushya answered as 1.
Yeah, same 2 different options. Kavya has raised the hand. I hope you can chat with us privately, Kavya. Any other answers, guys? Yeah, okay.
And also answer as PyChat.
Yeah, that is option number 1, right? Okay, we can move to the answer session. Yeah, that is option number 2. You can explain it, Mohan.
Yes, actually we use PyAuto GUI, and we can also use the PyWattKit library also. They both are somewhat similar, but with this PyAuto GUI, it can give more options than the PyWattKit, so that we are using this GUI. Normally in Python, for doing a single task, you will get thousands of libraries as it is an open source. So Python is a easy to learn language. So grasp all the knowledges from us. Okay, Sasikumar, move on to the next question.
Yeah, actually, you can do several programs to make WhatsApp more interesting than the normal WhatsApp using Python. That's the ultimate theme of this program, that you can learn the ultimate source of Python. Using this language, you can do many things. You can deal with object oriented programming. You can deal with visionary program. It can done with audio. It can done with the various parts we are having, so that it is better to learn the Python language to perform several activities in our day-to-day life. Okay, we have shown one program right today using WhatsApp. WhatsApp nowadays using there are many people are using WhatsApp. I think so. No people can live without WhatsApp. You can do ultimate themes in WhatsApp using Python. No one can understand it. Okay, that is the ultimate of this theme of this bootcamp. Okay, we can see the next question. Yeah, that is question number 9. To get exact key for command prompt and the website is W3 schools, Pi, Greeks for Greeks, Hacker Rank. You can put your options now.
Kalpana, she answered as 2.
Yeah, answer as 2. That is Pi. Artishwari answer as 2. Actually, this is a general question, guys. Actually, this is for improving your programming language. From this, you can use this website more familiar than others.
Yeah, Kokila has answered as 2.
Yeah, everyone is answering the same option. Any
Ajit
different
has
option?
answer 2.
Any different response?
Someone answered 1.
Rakshita answer is
Yuvarajan answered as 2.
okay. I hope so. Everyone is familiar with this. We can go to the answers now. Yeah, I get poor is also option number 2. Yeah, that one is also correct. You can explain it, Mohan.
Yes, actually PyP is developed by Python organization. In that website, we can get all the commands for installing a library in our computer through command prompt. So this is the only website you get official libraries without any third parties, and verified libraries also. And you should be more cautious while installing a library, because a library can cause harm to your system also. So be more cautious. Okay,
Yeah.
Sasikumar.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Mohan Ram. Actually, you can further, if you are installing any libraries, means try most of and go to Pi website to install any library. It is referable. Okay, Sasikumar, you can show the question now. We are in the last question of this session. For placing the sleep time in a program, which module is used? That is Pi sleep, delay, time, or none of the above. Your options, please. Bhausha, after huge Bhausha answers as 1. Rakshita Suresh answer as 1. And Puvarasi answer as 1. Any different options?
Someone answered as 2.
Yeah, 2 different options are there now. Any other different answers?
Narmada answer as 1.
Yeah, any other
Ajit
different
answered as 3.
Yeah, 3 different answers we are getting. Amuda answers as 1, but 3 different answers we are getting. Any other responses?
Someone also answered 4.
Yeah, okay. Now we are getting 4 different options. Okay, let's see what's correct now.
Venkat Chaudhary answered as 3.
Yeah, okay. The option is 3. You can explain it, Mohan.
Yes, for delaying the time, we can use, we are using the option 3, time, which is placing the sleep time in a program for a module. And also in some modules, we can also use the delay time and the wait key function also for making a sleep time function there. So it is dependent upon the library that you are using. So that's all for this, guys.
Yeah, we are in the end of this question. Okay, guys, thank you all. Actually, today most of them answers different options. That is more curious to get the to know about the answers. And we shown several programs, right? That all programs will upload in GitHub, and the link will be shared to you in WhatsApp group. If you have any errors, you can copy it and you can paste it in your ideally, you can execute it. If you get any error, means you simply took a screenshot and you can send it to us. We can rectify it and you enjoy it. Enjoy your programs, guys. And thank you all.
Ajit, thank you for your response. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now your Pooja gonna to share the feedback form for today session. Pooja, are you there? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
Let me
fill it,
share.
guys.
Yes, kindly everyone fill this feedback form because it is most important for your attendance purpose. So kindly fill those forms.
Okay. Thank you all guys, those who attended this session. So I hope you have been learned a lot in this session. Okay. In tomorrow's session, we'll be learning about you can set a video alarm for you can set an alarm to open a video in YouTube, right? So this is the program we are going to see tomorrow, and you can also we are also going to create an audio book using this Python code, and we are also going to extract the video from the audio. So we are going to do that program in tomorrow's session, and we are also going to discuss about astrology. Okay, with the Python. So tomorrow's session is going to be more interesting. Okay, just fill this feedback link, and once you have filled, just leave this meeting. Thank you.
So dear participants, it's a 15 days program, that is 30 hours course. Okay, tomorrow also we are having the course. So please try to attend the program tomorrow also. It's going to be very interesting. So please fill the feedback form also without fail. Okay, right? Attendance is mandatory for getting your certificate. Yes, thank you all. Have you all filled? Have you all filled the form?
Actually, one question arises from participant, ma'am. Do you have classes on Sunday also?
No, no, no.
Yeah,
There's no
thank you.
class on Sunday. Okay, right? From means tomorrow you are having your class, and then from Monday onwards we'll continue.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys.
So we have received only very few responses. Please, everybody fill the form.
If you won't fill the form, means you will not get the certificate. So it is mandatory to fill the form. Again, I am informing all of those to fill the form. Kindly fill it, guys.
And yes, guys, if you fill the form, kindly continue.
If you didn't submit for one day, we will consider. Okay. Monabhatra Baidya. I'm telling you, it's not a problem. So everybody, you have to fill your feedback form. All the 15 days attendance will be taken up. If your attendance is very low, will not give you the certificate. Okay, at least you are supposed to have 95% of the attendance for getting your certificate.
Yeah, ma'am. And somehow asked about recorded session. So okay, this all been uploaded in a Google Drive and YouTube channel too. So we can get
Yes.
those.
I think 3 days programs we have uploaded. Today's program also it will be uploaded, and yesterday program also will be.
The YouTube link will be shared to you guys.
Those who fill the form, please leave the meeting. Those who fill, please leave the meeting. Have you all filled the form? Shall I end the meeting? Yes, thank you all.